are now heading to the Perente pool because we're going to have a barbecue party with the Filipinos. Because once in a while we have this gathering, you know, para matanggal yung boredom. It's just a couple of minutes from our house.
1 minute actually.
1 minute. Actually, it's 30 seconds from our house to Perente pool. And we're late. 4:30 ang usapan. It's already 5 o'clock.
Because of Dad.
And
Ilbutang yan dito si Skat ah.
puta, nagmura pa. And we're here. Hi pa. Hello.
That's alright.
We are going to the Perente pool. Dito na yung mga Pinoy. Hi, baby. They're starting now. Not that one. There first. Go. We are here. Hello, guys. Hello. Ayan ang mga friends namin Pinoy. Say hi to everyone. Yes.
I like it.
Of course. So, what can you say about living here in Iran?
All good things.
What? Kindly, you know, elaborate. Come on.
Uy, kakatapos na lang Miss Universe Philippines ha. Wag mo
So,
akong anuhin.
so you do the
What's
Miss
that?
Universe walk.
I'm too tired.
This is one of the notorious woman here in Clara. Say hi.
Oh, hello. Hello, mga friends.
Hey, Julie and
Ozzy.
yes.
Baba na yan.
No.
Ayan na, pag malasing ako.
We're going to have a barbecue party. Ito yung
Doon ka sasawa niya English. Doon ka. Panindigan mo.
what?
Panindigan mo. Sasawa ka na.
Wait, I'm just going to take a look at the kids.
Oh, there. Oh, hindi, panindigan.
Hi, hi Ian. I'm making a vlog.
Very good.
Doon ka magkano. Oh, da.
I'm shy. Those are the kids. Hi.
Ala, Zed, nauna nagkaon ah. Na kumain. Oh, laki na subo oh. Diba? Gusto niya ng sexy subo. Ano lang ako ulit. Tek! Wala na. Panina sana. Kita mo
Ang sarap nito, oh. Sarap. Hindi, white chocolate?
Macadamia.
Kaya po yung sarap.
Magkano ka pa ng white chocolate?
Ha? Say hi, Jason.
Sorry.
Kaya ko nagtatrabaho eh.
Kaya na work. Kaya na guys.
Malupit.
Tinatawa mo ko, yung bunganga ako naman. Ito ang social mag-Tagalog. Say something in Tagalog.
Kamusta kayo?
Ouch! Shoot me.
Sabi mo,
Diba?
imposible.
Impossibly.
Diba?
Opo. Sabi mo, opo.
Opo.
Oh, siya ang social mag-Tagalog. Siya ang social mag-Tagalog dito kasi kami parang mga pangkanto.
Kuha mo
Pangkanto? Napakaganda niya magsalita. Ito mamaya magti-TikTok. Willing, you're going to do TikTok later when you're drunk?
Mag-tiktok kayo ng It Really Hurts.
Paano yun? Paano yun?
Ginaganon ka.
Show us, ha?
But I don't know.
Oh my goodness. How will I do
Yung
that?
bata lang yung marunong. Yung kahit saan na ba? Oo.
Ito ang masarap. Would you believe meron kaming suman? I like suman. Uy, lagi sa'yo nakachempo yung camera, friend.
Na-miss ko rin yung suman ko.
Anong suman mo?
Alam mo na, mabuti. May mga suman.
May suman ka ba? Ano ang suman mo?
Yung suman ko, nasa Pilipinas.
Ano ba yan? Miles away naman.
Uy, hindi ko na-gets. So, sino mas bastos sa atin?
Wow! Kagandahan ng fest.
Ito ang pinakabastos.
Kagandahan ng fest.
Oh, yes.
Pero kadirtihan ng direct. Kayo.
Ano ba bang?
Try ko na siya.
Uy, gusto ko yung palitaw. Say something.
Hello everyone, my name is Myrna and I'm living here in Yulara. Welcome to Northern Territory.
What else?
And this is my feast. Naging Bisaya.
Jen.
Ayan, maganda. Excited na ako mapanood yan.
Masarap pa, pa? Pa, masarap pa? Yes.
Ang sarap daw ng rice mo.
Thank you.
Ang tamis ng rice.
Sarap daw.
Oh, thank you. At least meron ako achievement. So, how's the food? Kaanuhan mo lang ng kamay mo. Kaukawin mo ng kaukawin. So, how's the food, everyone?
Sarap naman o.
Hoy, what can you say? They're having fun. Mary! No, it's not a picture.
Ikali mo yan sa vlog mo. Interviewin mo yan isa-isa.
It's a video.
Hindi ka mag-cosplay.
Ano gagawin ko? What am I doing? Magsayaw ako?
Kasi yung videographer niyo, ano ko?
Yung anak ko yun.
Pero kung una na ha, 3 minutes na.
Oy, maganda yung huli ko. Si Jaisel. And then yung ngayon yung ano, yung continuation, yes?
I wanna be a boy.
Why?
Ha? Mas madali. Mas madali.
Mas madaling what?
Basta mas madali. Lahat. Everything. Everything. Everything.
I don't know. Later. Day, yung tawa mo talagang nangibabaw dito. Hoy, next, Julie. So, Nagwawak. So, anong dapat question dyan? So, Willin, what is your purpose?
No.
What is your purpose? What? What is the essence of being a woman?
Great.
What? 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 What?
Great.
Great?
Essential oil?
Yeah. What? Epicacent or Omega?
Omega. Or Pao de Arco.
Ikaw sagot ka na. Ito sagot na sagot, pero takbo naman ng takbo ha. Parang habulin mo ako. Habulin mo ako. So guys, kumusta naman?
Ano yan? YouTube yan?
Yeah.
Vlog mo yan? Ay, like ko yan.
Yeah. What can you say about yourself?
Myself. Ako, pagod ako eh.
You introduce yourself, please.
No need, you know my name already.
No, the viewers.
Viewers.
Yeah.
Okay.
For my 78 viewers, no.
How many subscribers?
78 only.
78 only?
Yeah, and I'm
Ngayong
happy.
75 na yan. 79.
Kapababain mo pa.
Hindi, 79. Mag-subscribe ako mamaya.
Oh, wow!
Okay.
I'll send you the link.
Later, I will watch this.
No, tomorrow, maybe
Tomorrow?
Yeah, because I'm going to edit it first because of my, you know what I'm saying. Oh, Julie, ikaw pa rin. Julie, why? Shy ka? Sino yung palo ng palo? Wisit lang to. Ito naman.
Dito ka. This group. This group here.
So, I'm going to interview Angela. So, what's your secret? What's your secret of for being, flawless? What?
I'm not flawless.
What do you mean? I can't understand. You can talk.
Elaborate.
Yeah, please.
I'm not.
You're not. You're not what?
I'm not flawless.
I'm not flat. She's not flawless. She's flat. And this one is big.
Namimiyasaan na, dapat ikaw ini-interview namin eh.
This one is big. It's always big.
Quality mo to eh.
Kaya parang tanga.
Kasi siya, nahalo kasi dito. No?
Ha?
Why do I feel like going back in the boat?
Doon ka dun. You ask Tito ano. Wow. Oh, talaga oh. Oh, talaga oh. Talagang pag nahaharap sa kanya yung camera, talagang ano siya, meron siyang ano.
Hindi siya camera shy.
Oo nga eh. Nakain, wala naman tayong alak dito.
Kulang yan. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ay, come on ah.
Ayan na. Yan pala yung ipinto ng manok. Yan ang ipinto ng manok. Kasi sila lang yung kumain ng manok.
Oo, kasi inihaw yan.
Kulang yun ah. Yung leg pa lang yun. Kulang.